Hi everybody, it's Kathy with Create with Kate 56. How's everybody doing today? I'm doing really well. I wanted to come on and share a new technique that I learned. It's called Cyanotype, and I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly or not. But what it is an old printing process that they use to do blueprints with. And look what I got. It's amazing. I will show you the product that I used, and it's made by Jacquard, and it's Cyanotype Part A and Part B. Now how this comes is there's a powder in the bottle. You fill the bottle with water, shake it up real well, and then store it in a dark place for 24 hours. Now this is supposed to make it to its full potential, the letting it set. So that's what I did. It was hard because I really wanted to get after this, but I saw this on a video and I just thought, oh, I gotta try that. So I did. I ordered it from Amazon, and I'll put the links below where you can get this from. It was not very expensive, and this is what they look like. This one is my favorite. This is feathers that I did, and it's just amazing, all the detail that's in there. Just love it. This is another one I did. These are some flowers, wildflowers that I got out in the woods. And these little speckles on here are the seeds from one of my ornamental grasses. This is actually, no, this is the third one I did, and this is just some leaves, a little bit of the flowers, and some more of the seeds from the grass. This was the second one I did, and this is just some leaves, some more flowers, and this is actually a piece of the top of the ornamental grass that I used. Here's one, and there's one. Little ones, which gave me the idea to take them off and sprinkle them, whoops, upside down, on here. And I think a whole page of these would be just scrumptious. I just think that would be really pretty. So this one is the second one I did, and then this is the first one. I did this on watercolor paper, and I got a fern, a little flower, and some leaves, and then right here is a feather. It was a chicken feather, a white chicken feather, and it was real sparse. So that's why it doesn't show up very well, but that's what I got from there. Now let me tell you how you go about doing this. Of course you want to read all the directions and everything. But what you do is take a little bit of the part A, a little bit of the part B, and mix them together. And you paint them on your page, and you put them in a dark space to dry. After that, you take them out, and you place your items on there. It's recommended to clamp a piece of glass on top of this so that everything stays pretty flat and there's not a whole lot of distortion. Then you take it outside and let it set in the sun. The directions say anywhere from 3 to 30 minutes, but this is the longest one I did, which was about 10 minutes. And the other ones I'd say was probably about 5 minutes. So when you go out and take a look at it, it looks gold. It's really quite odd. But the paper is gold. Then I put some water in my sink, and cool water, and then just you put them in and you just swish them around and rub on them and try and get them good and washed off. After I was done with that, I just ran it under my faucet real quick just to make sure I didn't have any, the water ran clear, so I knew it was done. Then I had made a little makeshift clothesline over top of my kitchen sink, so I clipped them up onto that and let them drip dry. And then when they had, dried a little bit, I took them off and laid them on my counter to finish drying. Then that night I put them underneath a big old heavy book to flatten them out, and this is what it is. Isn't it beautiful? It's just amazing. I can't even believe I did this. It's it's just so fun. But anyway, you could use anything, you know, anything solid you could put on there. And I think I would do this differently. I will, not I would, but I will do it differently with the feathers and put them in, kind of space them out so they'd be, you know, tags or journaling cards and such like that. But so check out the links below. Look it up on internet and see if maybe this might be something you'd like to try. It was a lot of fun. Worst part was waiting for the 24 hours till you could get started with it. But yes, great fun, and I think you'll really enjoy it and just absolutely fall in love with the things you can come up with. Thanks everybody for stopping by. Thanks to my subscribers and anybody new tuning in today. I'd love it if you'd follow along with me. Just hit the subscribe button and make sure you tap that notification bell so you'll know when I've got new things coming out. So, thank you so much everybody. Have fun, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.